Page 62. 10. Writing.
Main genres of TV films. Film genres are categories of films based on theme, setting, plots or stories, characters, and other specific features, such as special effects, computer enhancement, animation, etc. There are major genres and subgenres. For example, adventure and action films are quite well known and associated with popular heroes, such as Superman or the Rambo sequels. It is not always easy to classify films, as they often combine elements of different genres. Kung Fu Panda, for instance, is an animated film which can also be categorized as an action film. This is the reason why some films are listed in different categories, or a category that is more popular at a given time. Film genres evolve through time. Action films, featuring martial arts specialists and superhuman heroes, used to be very popular over a decade ago. They still exist, but they seem to have lost their initial appeal. If a film includes action and is filmed in tropical settings, is it an action film or an adventure film? Would you say that Toy Story belongs to animation as a genre or comedy? Is it more of one or the other? And if so, which? Detective films are developed around stories of criminal actions and include elements of mystery and suspense. Dramas, on the other hand, are serious films portraying realistic life situations, character development, and interaction. They include a number of subcategories, for example, melodramas, biographies, or biopics. Epics are usually costume dramas, historical dramas, or war dramas in extravagant settings and lavish costumes. They are sometimes a more spectacular version of a biopic film, such as The Last Emperor. Horror films are designed and produced to frighten audiences. They are sometimes combined with science fiction, when, for example, Earth is invaded by an alien monster. Science fiction films, on the other hand, are often visionary with futuristic technology and extraordinary creatures from outer space. One of the most famous examples of this genre is E.T. War films portray the horror and destruction of war and are often combined with documentary excerpts. They are also paired with other genres depending on the story, for example, action, adventure, drama, comedy, etc. Finally, Westerns represent one of the oldest genres with easily recognizable plots, elements, and characters, including horses, dusty towns, Indians and cowboys, good and bad guys, a sheriff and deputies, etc. In other words, they follow a common formula which has been modified, developed, expanded, supplemented, and revisited over the years. If you look up film genres in different sources, you will find that they share some categories but not others. Once again, this is quite natural, given the evolutionary nature of film genres and changing trends in popularity that reflect overall social and financial trends.